Welcome back to our WooCommerce 101 series. The next tab we'll cover is the Checkout Settings tab. There are some basic checkout settings, plus your payment gateways inside this tab. Let's get started. Head to WooCommerce, Settings, then Checkout. By default, we start on the Checkout Options sub-navigation item. Starting under the Checkout Process section, you can enable or disable the use of coupons. Under that, you can then tell WooCommerce to calculate coupon discounts sequentially or not. If you select Calculate Coupon Discounts Sequentially, think of WooCommerce applying coupons one at a time. For example, let's say a customer's current order is $100 and they have a 10% off coupon and a 20% off coupon. If applied sequentially, WooCommerce will first discount 10% from $100 to get $90. It will then apply the 20% coupon to $90, equaling a cart total of $72. If you leave Calculate Coupon Discounts Sequentially unchecked, think of WooCommerce combining those two coupons into one 30% off coupon. This is then applied to $100, equaling a $70 cart total. The discounts are less when applied sequentially, so choose appropriately for your store. Either way, coupons can be a powerful part of your marketing and sales strategies. If you are interested in using coupons, be sure to watch our video that covers creating and using coupons. Moving on, the next option in the checkout process section lets you enable or disable guest checkout. As the name suggests, with guest checkout enabled, a customer does not need to register a new account or log into their existing one to check out. If you want all customers to create an account and log in to checkout, uncheck Enable Guest Checkout. The Force Secure Checkout is something we highly recommend you use. If one of the payment gateways you're using accepts card details on site, then this is required alongside an SSL certificate. Even if payments are made off-site, we still suggest you use it as your checkout page collects personal information your customers expect you to protect. Just make sure you have an SSL certificate installed by your host or yourself. Another checkbox will appear titled Force HTTP when leaving checkout, with Force Secure Checkout enabled. This simply forces all pages other than your checkout pages to load over HTTP. Below the checkout process is the Checkout Pages section. If you used our onboarding wizard, the cart and checkout pages will already be set. Nonetheless, you can change the pages here you want WooCommerce to use for the cart, checkout, and terms and conditions page if needed. Be certain you have a cart and checkout page set, otherwise no customers will be able to check out. The terms and conditions page is optional, but if you do select a page for this, at checkout, customers will need to select a checkbox to agree to your terms and conditions before they can finish checking out. The page is also linked to from the checkout page so they can read your terms and conditions. The next section, titled Checkout Endpoints, contain the pay, order received, and add payment method URLs. These endpoints are added to your checkout page URLs to handle specific actions during the checkout process. If you are going to make your own, make sure they are unique and don't appear anywhere else on your site. Otherwise, you can break or cause issues with your checkout process. Now we're to the exciting section that covers the payment gateways you have in your store. We include 5 core gateways with WooCommerce, 3 offline methods, meaning payment doesn't happen online. Those are BACS, or direct bank transfer, check, and cash on delivery. Then 2 online methods, PayPal Standard and Simplify Commerce. In the Payment Gateway section, you can reorder your gateways, see their ID, and see what is enabled in one quick glance. By clicking and dragging on the hamburger menu next to the gateway's name, you can put the gateways in your preferred order. The gateway you put first, if enabled, will be the one that is selected by default at checkout for your customers. To go into a specific gateway settings, you can either click on its name in the gateway column or head to the top of the page and select their respective sub-navigation item. For brevity, we won't cover each specific gateway settings here. Instead, they are each covered in their own video. With that, you now have your checkout settings set and are that much closer to accepting payments in your store. Be sure to watch the video or read the docs for the respective payment gateways you want to set up for your store. Then you can continue in our series with the next video covering the Shipping Settings tab. Thanks for watching.